Elevate your facilities management with Opuz. With powerful tools for scheduling planned preventative maintenance, combined with seamless integration of your assets and documentation, Opuz brings everything together in one intelligent platform. Stay in control of compliance, reduce risk, and unlock a smarter, more efficient way to manage your entire estate. Opuz is a smarter, more connected facilities management platform designed to bring everything together in one intuitive, powerful system. From maintenance and asset tracking to compliance and reporting, Opuz gives you complete control, all in real time. Keep your teams connected wherever they are. Whether in the office or on site, Opuz enables seamless communication, instant task assignment, and real-time progress tracking, helping issues get resolved faster and more efficiently. Reporting no longer needs to be a burden. Generate automated reports in seconds with accurate, up-to-date insights that keep stakeholders informed and operations running smoothly. And with fully customizable dashboards, you're always focused on what matters most. Implementing and delivering SFG20 schedules has never been easier. Opuz provides intuitive tools that enable you to efficiently deploy SFG20 aligned maintenance programs across your entire estate. From scheduling planned preventative maintenance to tracking completion, everything is managed in one seamless platform. More importantly, Opuz gives you clear, auditable evidence that every task has been completed to the required standard, helping you demonstrate compliance with confidence, reduce risk, and stay fully prepared for inspections at any time. You can even visualize your estate like never before with fully integrated 3D models. Step inside your buildings digitally, explore every space with ease, and locate assets instantly with pinpoint accuracy. Identify issues faster, understand your environment more clearly, and make better decisions, all from a single intelligent platform. With AI-powered document reading, Opuz transforms the way you handle information. Automatically extract key data from reports, manuals, and certificates, eliminating manual data entry and saving valuable time. And it doesn't stop there. Opuz support remote sensors, giving you real-time visibility into your buildings like never before. With a wide range of integrated sensors, including temperature, humidity, leak detection, and air quality, you can monitor critical conditions across your estate at all times. Stay ahead of issues before they escalate, respond faster to risks, and maintain optimal environments with confidence, all powered by intelligent, connected data. The Opuz platform gives you the control, clarity, and confidence to manage your facilities the right way.